Today's topic is to make the pairs from the to list such that both the elements are not in the same pair. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method 1, that is a basic approach, and the method 2 by using an edit tools. Let's start from the first method, that is a basic approach. First, we are going to initialize our list. After that, we are going to use the list comprehension. In the list comprehension, what we are going to do is we are going to go through each and every element in our list too, and we are going to go through each and every element in our list too, and we are comparing that if the both of the elements are not same, then we are going to make them a pair together, and we are storing them in the list number 2, and we are having them as an output. As you can see it over here, our list 1 comprises of 10, 30, 50, 70 and 90, while the list 2 50, 60 and to the 70. So let's, the 10 and 30, they both are not going to have a problem. When we are talking about the 50, that is, it will not make a pair with the 50 nor with the 70. I mean, it will make a pair with the 70, but 50 will not make a pair with the 50. And when we talk about in terms of 70, it will not make a pair with the 70. So they both will not make a pair with each other. That is 50 with the only 60 and 50 with the 70. 70 to 50 and 70 to 60, and then so on.